Breaking news from the heart of Europe. We bring to you Belgium, a small nation with just over 11 million people, but with an influence far greater than its size. Also known as the crossroads of Europe, Belgium is a home to Brussels, the center of many European institutions and the headquarters of NATO.
Belgium is located in the western part of Europe and shares its border with France, Luxembourg, Germany, and the Netherlands. It also shares a coastline with the North Sea. It has a total area of 30,500 square kilometers. Geographically, the country can be divided into three main parts: the coastal plain, central plateau, and the Ardennes Hills. The coastal plain consists of fertile plains, while the central region consists of flat land. The Ardennes in the southeastern region of Belgium is famous for its hills and forests. The highest peak of Belgium is Signal de Botrange, situated in the Ardennes Hills. The location of Belgium in the western part of Europe gives it a strategic importance. It acts as a bridge between many European economies, facilitating trade, and is home to many international organizations.
But here's the fascinating part. Belgium itself is a lesson on diversity. Belgium has three official languages: French, German, and Dutch. Three regions and three language communities. Yet, it is all managed through negotiation, compromise, and federalism. And yet, as Belgium enters today's debate, when differences are managed through dialogues, diversity becomes the strength.
Moving on to its economy, Belgium ranks as the 17th largest exporter in the entire world. The port of Antwerp stands as Europe's second busiest port, contributing to roughly 77% of its national GDP and also transporting 240 million tons of cargo annually. Today, Belgium actively participates in global commerce and invests heavily in sustainable development chains and artificial intelligence.
When we talk about the political aspect of the country, Belgium, it is a federal constitution monarchy with a democratic system. The king is the ceremonial head of state, whereas the government is led by the prime minister. The political powers are divided between federal, regional, and community government. It is a multi-party system where coalition of different political parties is very common.
Belgium is committed to strengthening international cooperation and maintaining constructive diplomatic relations. We support multilateralism dialogues and peaceful resolutions of international disputes.
Belgium is expanding offshore wind capacity targeting around 6 gigawatt by 2028, strengthening both clean energy and green employment. Belgium has cut net greenhouse gas emissions by 31% since 1990, reaching 98.6 MTCO2 in 2024.
Moving on to social and human rights. Belgium strongly supports equality, non-discrimination, and human rights. Its constitution guarantees equality before law and protects fundamental rights. Belgium also has a strong social security system that provides pensions, unemployment support, and social assistance. However, challenges like migrant integration and disability unemployment still remains.
Moving to defense and security. As a founding NATO member, Belgium plays host to allied decision-making, even as it modernizes its own armed forces.
Well, to innovate overall, the defense security system of Belgium highlights its priorities on the cooperation of NATO, cybersecurity, military, and the protection of their critical infrastructure.
This is particularly important for Belgium because Brussels hosts major NATO institutions, making a country an important center for international security and corporations.
The country is strengthening its military roles with NATO as security concerns continue to grow across Europe.
Moving now, science and incubation. Belgium continues its important progress on technology and research. The country is known for its work done in biotechnology, research, and medicine. It is also known for investing in sustainable development for the better future of their country.
Belgium believes that no global challenge can be solved alone. This is Belgium, ready to negotiate and build solutions.